नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हिताशा और आज हम मौजूद हैं भारत इंटरनेशनल राइस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जो कि चल रही है भारत मंडपम में। इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है इंडियन राइस एक्सपोर्टर्स फेडरेशन ने। What is the objective of organizing this conference, first of all?
You see, the objective is that this rice conference never done in India.
Yes.
This is the first ever in India. Always these conferences are going only in Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, London or some other places. So every time Indian exporter has to go there. In that case, small exporter never can go. Small rice miller cannot go because they don't have the means to spend like 20 lakh rupees each time. Bigger miller will go, bigger exporter can go. So our aim, every small miller also get the benefit. Startup people also can get the benefit. Because of that, we thought Indian Rice Exporter Federation, why not we conduct this kind of conference, come exhibitions and program where everyone come here. Why we go for Gulf food? Why not Gulf food here? Today you can see yourself. Is I think you can imagine. Maybe international any conference or exhibition is not like this.
Exactly.
This is the first time. Today more than 10,000 people already came here.
Oh, nice.
And right now you seen in the morning how many buyers are there. 7 contract already signed and some new contracts also in pipeline. So people are getting the business. We want Indian Rice Exporter Federation, IREF, every small startup or big, everyone can get the business. Otherwise, small businessmen never come up. Why big people doesn't like this small exporter come up and they will do the business. So this is the aim, everyone together and they grow.
Okay. And sir, India is the one of the largest producer and exporters of rice. So where do you see the Indian rice industry in future?
In future, definitely right now we are doing 40% of the entire world. And we like to, by this conference, this minimum 40% to 60% our target in the world rice trade. So we can achieve, this is possible, and we have the means and we have the exporters, which young blood, they are coming up, they are so excited. After this conference, they are going to market their product in the world and they will go 172 countries, corner to corner, only Indian rice and Indian rice.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.